Uttarakhand Forest Department has recently started using of drones for forest fires surveillance. This video shows the sample of how it is done. This training program was held at Kanpur Rest House of Haridwar Forest Division. The drone is allowed to take off and is elevated to a height of around 100 feet. The camera is tilted and rotated to see the surrounding forest. A panoramic view of forest can be observed from a monitor, which can be your mobile or laptop. Any sign of fire or smoke is observed during this process. Any unauthorized person entering the forest can also be monitored. Presently, a fully charged drone can be only flown for 25 to 30 minutes. The drone has to be brought back safely before the charge is lost. The video of the coverage can also be stored in a memory card. Photographs can also be taken. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned and follow us on our journey towards forest conservation.